Would you eat your soap? I can. I can lick it. Why? Because this is made from natural ingredients. When you comes to your skin, you want to put stuff on it that you can actually eat. Not to say you should eat this because it's a soap, but the ingredients in here are so pure, so clean. Essential oils, bentonite clay, all the powerful essential oils you need for great skin is in here. Cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil. Everything here is good stuff. So you can actually lick it, eat it. It's do not eat it because it's a soap, like I said, but it's that pure, and that's what I use on my skin. Okay, you can also use it on your hair as well. It won't lather like a normal soap, but it's perfect. You see my teeth marked in there. I have no problem put this on my skin because the ingredients in there are very good for you. So this is what I use when it comes to clean the skin up. Very simple, very powerful, very efficient. Pure sick, very beautiful touch. Okay, smells great too.